Bigambirwa barukura kibina cha NRM okurwa mu Burengero Zoba hamwe nabo abarukurwa mu district ya Bushenyi bari mu rukiko urwabarukujwekera abanyakibino mu Bushenyi kandi urukiko rubirira mu nabo abakwatire kibina cha NRM bendera
Congo flag bearer I mean wabo yo structure katire mu chairman LC3 wapate konganyo na saro kwesimba wachwada ogogwe na iya mchimu Peter na agenda esimba ninga rekachi checho
people in the party structures leadership either having participated in the party primaries or lost or having not participated have been nominated as independent candidates to participate in the forthcoming elections. This is against the party position. Those leaders who have not been nominated, please desist from presenting your candidature as independents.
Abantu bagira ngo barukwikiriza bekibina kwesimba nkabatine kibina omukaruru nikireta ho kwebaganisamu kandi nicyenda nengendero aho yekibina.
I think the mission was to protect the party. You became a publicity to protect the what? The party. What was your vision in this? Why don't you just leave the place and give it to another one?
Aka 4 sectors akapunda mnongo. Tuna weta unajangu leaders abebezi ba party ba NRM. We are the priests of NRM. Niko tunetwale chiri ya NRM.
Abantu bagira ngo umuntu wena orayanje kushitamana nabo bukiko bakikirizana naija kwegwe cyandiko ekiri kumwikiriza kukora ibintu byenko umuntu bitari byekibina.
Nyokwenda kubagambira empate yanyu muleke kizanisa. Pate yanyu mgekitinisa. Okula ne pate zine zitabaza amabati. Omuntu waligawo kati tondi bakulima kati. What about us a party which is really very rich and everything around us? Hati kubasaba iwe obokuna mutokwenda kikale. The chance which is given is a tribunal na bili tuikara no tugambira bwakota kusakika kandi nsobikero tukuulirize.
Engineer Jonad Asimwe uri umuwezi wa mukuru w'ekibina cha NRM ahabwa Burengero Izoba kandi birori mu rukiko ru ayahanangiririza abanyabushenyi okurekeraho kushishagura sente omukaruru kureka bazikoremo ebyentunguko mbyanga byabo.
In Bushenyi, I shouldn't expect people misusing money when you are here, because you know business. How can someone misuse money? You go to look for a vote where you're not going to win. This place is predominantly NRM. We vote NRM.
District ya Bushenyi iriyo neyetebekanisizo rutayayo rwa mukuru w'ihanga ahabiro bibiri ebyokwezo ku 12 mwaka ogu ubwo arabe narondo bushagici okugaruka kutoranwa nka president omukarura karukwija kuterwa ahabiri 15 ebyokwezo ko kubanza omwaka ogurukwija. Gashakwa Olivia na Sasro mu Bushenyi ahabwa Tayari West.